This is gonna change your life. This is so big.
Maybe we celebrated too early.
1,850 stores. Yeah. This is gonna change your company. This is already too much for me. Everyone knows this is an actual meeting, right?
It's gonna cost a lot of money to make these pizzas. A lot of money to make these pizzas.
I just don't know how that facility is gonna support it. It's kind of an impossible thing that we have to do.
You want to put everything you got at this. The big fear is that we become something that is not us, and that would be what leads to failure.
I know it's tough, but you're all gonna feel incredibly rewarded and empowered by what we're all about to do.
We got a lot to figure out.
Is there any way that we could put in a temporary kitchen?
We have a current production facility, but it's not large enough.
You know where there's like commercial kitchens that you can rent?
I don't know if that has anything to do with what's going on right now, but we got some big issues.
Do we need to call the police? Huge problem to solve here. We have this order. It's almost 500,000 pizzas. How do we create a temporary kitchen somewhere? We'd like to see if there's a solution.
Okay. We got an emergency with our power right now.
Everyone get your flashlights.
This is the fridge, right? You have to walk in. Oh no.
All this equipment would need to be cleared out. Do you just demo this whole thing? This isn't gonna work. I think the solution is that we have to wrap our heads around utilizing the restaurants. All right, we have to fulfill all of this. We have a very tough road ahead. I would say the feeling right now is it's super impossible. I don't think we can say no, and that's gonna push people to the edge. Our facility is small, but it's also our only shot.
The next 2 weeks, we're gonna make 18,500 pepperoni. We're gonna have 12,000 black garlic, 15,000 marg, and 17,500 meatball, which is gonna put us way over our lining.
They're gonna want 35,000 pizzas. 2 weeks later, about 80.
We have to make sure we get those.
Gonna put in a huge order. It's gonna be massive.
It's gonna be big.
I can maybe reset some maxes.
Close.
Now, their job is to help us.
It's faster, is what it was.
How much time are they gonna give us? We still have this problem that we gotta make 8,000 pizzas a day.
I don't sit and breathe that like you guys do. You need to help me help you by telling me when you're grabbing my last case. The sooner you can catch it, the sooner you can eliminate a problem.
We already have 1,500 pounds.
They have to take those back.
I mean,
Enough for half of a pallet. I mean, 2 minutes, I'll have this on the truck. These folds have to be accurate.
They come in that door. That's what I said.
Sometime next week,
we'll pull the business.
Here we go. First 53-footer.
Won't be the last.
Here we go. Drop in the bucket.
Waiting on my guys. Sorry about that, darn it. Yeah, here we go.
These guys make it look like nothing. Good on that one? Yeah. Nice. He's loading some sideways, just maximizing. Hey!
Yeah. 647 586
586
708.
708. We're in the home stretch. Just jam them in there.
It's pretty intense. 3 more.
Gonna fit.
Is that it? Get out of here.
Maybe we celebrated too early. Hopefully get some too.
There it goes.
good job, guys.
So emotional. The work that we've put into this is starting to reap the benefits. Now the city's gonna find out about it.
I don't think a lot of people know.
The story is the thing.
You gotta lead with
Yeah, I'm just so proud to shine a light on what people can do. Katie's Frozen Pizzas are now in every single Target in the USA. Hand-stretched and wood-fired in St. Louis, Missouri. I am glad that I didn't know what I was up against when I first said yes to Target, because had I known, I truly would have said no. I'm just so excited for what is next. It's just the beginning.